In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get access to Grok Voice Mode. This setup takes just a few moments to complete. To start, you'll want to open the Grok AI website or application. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account. This step ensures that you have access to all the features available to you. Once that's complete, navigate to your account settings. Here, you'll need to look for the Voice Mode feature. This is where you'll manage your voice interaction capabilities. Next, take a moment to review the available options and requirements for voice mode access. This step is crucial as it helps you understand what you need to enable this feature on your account. If you find that the feature is available for your account, go ahead and enable it. After doing so, return to the main interface. This change will allow you to start using the voice-based interactions. Finally, with everything set up, you can begin using voice-based interactions within Grok. This feature will enhance your experience by allowing you to interact with the application using your voice. And that's how to get access to Grok Voice Mode.